Would you love to be able to sit down and play a beautiful riff on piano, transporting your mind and emotions to a lovely, relaxing place? Well, let me show you a beautiful 5-note riff that we can learn today, and I'll also tell you why I love decaf. Share a weekly tutorial, and currently we've been having an improvisation series that is counting down from 7 notes, 6 notes, and today we have a 5-note riff to work out together. So every morning I have a coffee, not a coffee bean, but I have a drink of coffee. Hit the thumbs up if you also drink a coffee in the morning. And I happen to have decaf beans. These are they smell really awesome, and I've found that decaf is heaps better for my system. I'm not tending to then run on overdrive or have anxiety or anything from the caffeine, so that's what works for me. Another reason that I also like decaf is that I've actually worked out decaf, D-E-C-A-F, onto the piano as a little riff that we can work on together today. So lately we've been jumping into a lot of minor sort of sounds. So let's lift the sounds up to our major key and let's play our D, E, C, A, F here on the piano. Looking at our C sharp and F sharp as part of our decaf notes. D, E, C sharp, A, F sharp. And we might just get it to rock around there, swinging around the piano. Let your hand swing away from that thumb. When you've got that nice and easy, let's add some left hand down here as well by starting down here on the D. So D, E, C, A, F. Then let's go down to the B note. And G, G again, back to the D there. So by having our little 5-note riff, we tend to do a lot of things in 2s and 4s or even 8-note groups with piano music. The 5 will kind of pull us into that hazy realm. We're not feeling that regular pulse and that even pulse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D again. Now B. G. G again. Back to the D. B. Let's go to A this time. A again. Now let's build on a little bass run just to make this more interesting down here. One of my favorite riffs that I love to do is to do note 1, 5, 8, 9, 10, and we'll go over to the F sharp there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be our notes in our left hand. Let's do that with our decaf here, and then we might do the left hand run twice or something like that. Let's try it out. Yeah, let's do that. So together, all the way to our F sharps, then the right hand's going to do decaf again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now B minor. So together once, and then once by itself in the right hand. D, E, C sharp, A, F sharp. The left hand's going to do the run over 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. So C sharp, D are our 9 and 10 notes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. Now G. G again. Back to the D pattern. B minor. Now A. A again. So our A pattern was A, E, A, B over, C sharp over. So each of those left-hand patterns, just let's do them by themselves. D, A, D, over, and then wait. Then down to our B, F sharp, B, over, and wait. Down to G. Over to A and B, and again. And wait there, and then back to our D. Wait there. B now. Wait there, A this time. Wait there and A again. Okay, let's put it back together for a little run. Here we go. Now let's flip it on its head and move the riff into the left hand from Inspiration of Rachmaninoff. So let's put this little 5 grouping down here. So D, E, C, A, F. So get the hang of repeating those little notes. And once again, feels a little bit uncomfortable, but sounds very beautiful doing this little 5-note grouping. So we're leaning kind of on the D, D. Everything else is a little bit softer and gentler. D. And then let's add a little stepping tune that's going to change with our D each time and to the D. So let's try that a little bit faster and get that rolling along. Pretty. Here we go again. So we can go back up the other way from our E, F sharp and G. Then you can play around with moving maybe into 5ths and 6ths in the right hand and flow that up and down. So once you've got the hang of just stepping down with our thumb there, so finger 5, finger 4, finger 3, 2, and then going back up also sounds lovely. Let's open out to the 6th and play around by moving those down because they're also a lovely harmony pattern there. Okay, so let's go from our D here and D and A in your right hand. So decaf again. Extend it out. We'll have fun playing with those 2 ideas of featuring that quintuplet Is that the right one? Let me know. Have fun playing with that in your right hand and then dropping it into your left hand and changing our harmonies and patterns around it. All brings us into this swirly haze of really awesome sounds. Make up your own patterns and let me know how you go. Happy music making. Oh, and check out some other improv videos that I've been making as well. Have a great week. Ta-da.